What's good, everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at the newly updated Otterbox Commuter case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, yes, this case originally did release when the iPhone 14 Pro Max was launched. However, back then, one very big difference was that it had MagSafe compatibility, meaning that the back of the case was thin enough to where if you attached any MagSafe device while your phone was in there, the connection would happen. Like it would actually hit the magnet and it would hold. It would hold. It wasn't a very good hold, but you could tell that like you could attach different attachments, you could remove it. However, it wasn't as strong as I would have liked them to be, and I had moved on to other cases until the other week when I got word that Otterbox refreshed their commuter case to now include the MagSafe magnets. So let's open this up and take a look at this, shall we? Alright, let's get this open. So first things first, just taking a look at the case, like the outside of the case. It is much more glossy than the original. I mean, it's the same. I would assume it's the same material for both the inner sleeve as well as the outer hard shell case. Let's take a look. Side profile buttons. We got our volume up, volume down, as well as our raise power buttons. So when even if you're not even looking for the phone, it's going to be super easy to feel out whatever button you're looking for and hit that. And the big difference. Let's take a look at this. Let's see what they have. Oh, okay. All right. Let's pop this one off. So this is what the two cases side by side look compared to. So we have this is it. This is our MagSafe magnet. This is what I've been wanting from my commuter cases for years now. From the iPhone 13. Yeah, I really missed it, and it's finally it's here. It's finally here. Now, yeah, with that all being said, let's pop my phone in there. Let's get this on. Come on. All right. And here we are. So, weight-wise, I mean, it reminds me of exactly how it felt before. Yeah, buttons are going to be super easy to access, very clicky, responsiveness. Feels exactly from what I remember. Still very easy to access our toggle switch for our volume. And of course, getting to our lightning port at the bottom, still extremely easy. Now, taking a look at the sides of it, like we can see that there's still a good amount of space for a tempered glass screen protector. It's nearly to the edge of it, but no difference in that on the sizing of the case, which was to be expected. But you know, always good to take a look at that if anything. All right, and the one thing of what slightly drove me away from the commuter cases for the longest time. Let's take a look to see how it feels when you connect something. Like how's the connection? All right, so we've got our Anker MagSafe battery pack here. All right. Okay, it's a fairly strong connection. You actually have to hit it fairly hard to actually like dislodge the battery. Like picking up the phone, like I do not have much worries about. I mean, it's in a case that I trust, but just holding it by the battery itself, it's very secure. It's much more secure than I honestly would have expected. So, like sliding this into your pocket, like it's gonna definitely take some force to get like at least this battery pack off. All right. Now we've got the Apple MagSafe battery pack. Same feeling, you know? yeah, it feels about the same, like putting it on, taking it off. And last but not least, one of the few other things that I use, a pop socket. Don't use it often, but you know, having those few times of when you just want to have like a little extra grip on your phone, all of that stuff. You guys know what a pop socket is. Don't need to go too deep into that. But yeah, it snaps on there. Much more sturdy than I would have expected it to be. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, we've seen commuter cases before, so I don't need to go too deep into this. Yeah, it's finally been updated. This is something that I've been waiting for years now, and now that it's here, I have the case that I'll be sticking with. I'll no longer need to go back to my Spigen or my D brand cases. I'm sorry, they're really good, but I don't know. I keep on coming back to an Otterbox case. But yeah, I mean, wrapping everything up. So right now, I did check Amazon. It is not for sale on Amazon just yet, but I'm assuming that within the next couple of weeks it will be. The case currently on the website is $45. They've got the standard 4 colors: black, blue, pink, and green. I will ask this one question. Why is the black case just black? Like, the blue case is called Don't Be Blue. The pink case is called Into the Fuchsia. And the green case is called Trees Company. Black is just black. Why is that? I never realized that their other case colors had names, but I was taking a look at it earlier, and yeah, why is that? But anyways, that is going to wrap up this very quick video here. Yeah, their Otterbox commuter case has been updated with Magsafe. So once again, this is $45. You are still able to get the commuter case without Magsafe as well. But yeah, for those of you that use Magsafe, this is now an option again. All right, thanks for checking this out. To wrap it up, what case do you use? Is there any that you recommend? Any cases that I should check out? Wow, this is... I'm just entertained by putting this on and taking this off. But yeah, is there any cases that I should check out? What do you recommend? What case do you use? Drop it down in the comment section below. And with that, I'll see you for the next one. Laters.